This is a crazy looking sneaker. The AdiFOM Q in the off-white colourway is releasing on 14th of September for a retail of £90. We have a lot to get into. I mean, firstly, this is a crazy looking sneaker. Adidas are claiming it's inspired by the Adidas Quakes that released all the way back in 2001, but that just doesn't sit right with me. This sneaker looks too much like the Adidas Yeezy foam runners, with also a bit of a mix from like the Croc Salahé drop. So I can't imagine Kanye being too happy about this, because this is not a Yeezy, and in my opinion, this is a stolen style from the foam runner. And if you don't know, Kanye is already in enough controversy, stating that he wants to leave Adidas, and already stated that they've stolen multiple of his styles before, such as the Yeezy slides with the adiddas. This is just going to add to the pot. Anyways, in this video we will cover everything you need to know about the sneaker, how you're going to get your hands on them, invest information, best size to go for, everything you need all compact into this one short video. So let's get into it. The rumoured release date is 14th of September. Now please keep that in mind, this is rumoured. It was rumoured to drop in 2nd of September, but now we're on the 8th of September and we haven't heard anything more. However, it is assumed it's going to drop on the 14th of September, and this is for a retail of £90, and I suppose this is a very big benefit for this sneaker. If it had the Yeezy name on it, you're probably looking at about £130 to £150 retail. However, this is just Adidas's shoe, which also does mean, unfortunately, it just comes in a normal blue Adidas box, and you will not be getting a Yeezy box for this. Shouldn't really change the value too much. Moving on to where are you going to get your hands on this sneaker? Well, I'll be really honest here, guys, not much information has dropped at all, so I can't really go into detail of exact what retailers are getting these. Hopefully this will not be an Adidas exclusive, and we will see other retailers get it, such as SNS, End Clothing, Size Launches, Foot Patrol. These are all raffles to look out for to get your hands on this sneaker. The obvious place will obviously be the Adidas Confirmed app, and this is where the majority of stock will be held. This is not going to be an easy sneaker to get your hands on. It's going to be very sought after, so make sure you're doing everything you possibly can, such as entering multiple accounts without getting filtered, whether you are botting, going for as many pairs as you can, entering with different details, and entering all possible raffles and sites to get your hands on this sneaker. Now, I run a group where I support you with all of these subjects that I just mentioned. We teach you how to start sneaker reselling yourself. Whether this is how to get your hands on this sneaker, tips and tricks such as getting multiple pairs in, all the way up to advanced information such as stock numbers for Nike, blazing fast monitors, one-on-one calls with myself, and overall personalised support whenever you need it. So that will be top link down in the description if you want to check it out, guys. We've got a proven community of over 200 members, all cooking up and all there to help each other to make money off reselling. However, let's get back to the details of this sneaker. We've gone through what retailers will be getting these, well, hopefully getting these. What is next? Best sizes to go for. Now, this is quite a hard one. This is the first release of the model in the white colorway, so we have nothing to base it off like we do with Yeezy slides. We can look at previous colorways. Well, we can't do that because this is the first of the model. We will hover over the resale predictions at the end of the video, guys, so do not worry about that. Best sizes to go for, in my opinion, will be your sizes 8 to 12, more likely 10 to 12 in my opinion. Why do I say this? Well, to be honest, I don't have any proven facts to go off. However, recently higher sizes have been performing better for Yeezy slides, so I can also imagine the same for this sneaker. Before we do get onto the resale predictions, hold or sell, this is going to be a definite sell for me, just because it's the first of the model, and I expect a lot more colorways to be released after this. There's already been a rumoured black colorway with the orange insoles, which I'll pop up on screen as well, and we've also seen many other rumours of different colorways already being released and already being produced. So this tells me that Adidas is wanting to obviously make a lot of colorways of the sneaker. Same thing with Yeezy slides, they started off reselling quite a lot until they started doing a lot of restocks, which meant the resale price unfortunately did come down, so it's going to be a quick sell from me. This is a very unique model, and in my opinion it's actually very good looking. You have the Yeezy foam runner kind of foam texture material on the outside, and you also have this insole that they use, and this can actually be taken out, so it's actually only connected with the laces, which is like a Flyknit material, but to be fair to them, it looks very comfy. Now the resale predictions. Now guys, I do just want to say before I make these predictions out on YouTube, this is a hard shoe to predict the resale prices. We have no information regarding stock numbers, however I do know that this sneaker is already being quite sought after and a lot of people are interested in it. Looking at the resale prices at the moment, they're sitting around the £200 to £250 mark before the release, which tells me after the release I expect prices to be around the £130 to £175 mark. Now I know this is a big guesstimate and there's quite a big gap of the ranges that I've said, however I do believe that the sizes will make a big difference in terms of the resale price. Now take this with a grain of salt guys, because at the time of the recording I have no further information about this sneaker. Adidas could release loads of these and unfortunately makes the resale price just plummet. However, in my opinion, I doubt that will happen and I do think there'll be some resale money to be made. And again, my group that I run will get all the exclusive information when we have more information at the time to give more accurate resale predictions and more accurate ways to get your hands on this sneaker or even multiple pairs. Overall, Kanye is going to be annoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this sneaker. Do you think it will resell? Do you think it'll be keeping for personal? Please tell me down in the comments below. Apart from that, top link down in the description if you would like to join the group where we teach you everything you need to know. Drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out guys.